Yeah, so now these are the mini villas. They came in different phases. We had the signatures and the minis, but this is right now sold out, and it was so beautiful. It was going for $500,000. It's one of the bedrooms, visitor's bedroom.
So this is the first bedroom here?
Yes, the visitor's bedroom,
Okay.
guest house.
Let me just quickly.
It is self-contained, it has a toilet, bathroom. It's very beautiful, amazing work. Very beautiful, self-contained, you can check that out.
So this is the bathroom here?
Yes, the bathroom and toilet. Then you can come in. This is now the house. Now this is like a visitor's toilet. When you have visitors, this is where you start from. You don't have to go upstairs, don't have to do it. Yeah, so now we'll come straight to the kitchen. And then we're having a sitting room here. Beautiful large sitting
Look at
room.
this. Massive, very big.
Yeah, very big with a very beautiful balcony. See, you can have your screen over there. Now this is the front.
Look at this.
It's
Backyard.
gorgeous, so fresh. You have so much fresh air from the lake. You can capture it from here. It's amazing. It's a mini.
Look at this beautiful piece of art.
Yep. So now I'll take you to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. Like that. This is our first class kitchen here with so many slots, drawers for those who really love storage. See all this? And I've got a dishwasher. See, just put your utensils and you do the washing. See how much space we've got here? This is the oven, the fire point, the hot point. You just tune in and
There's a
the
fridge.
fridge. See, it's beauty. Just right at the waterfront. See, amazing. This is some other hot point. You can cook here. See, yeah, different shelves. Amazing, beautiful chimney. So many things in here. Yeah, but it's really taken out. It is sold, but we are coming up with a maisonette. It also comes with the maid's room, which is also self-contained. See, now she can do the laundry. The house help can do laundry there, and this is her private place. So if you're traveling or you're living and you don't want your helper to stay in the house, we have this as the helper's wing. See? It is also self-contained, very beautiful. You can take a look at.
So this is where the maid stays.
Yes. And then this is the access. Let's say you blocked your house, you can always use this.
Or to exit the house.
Yeah, so let's just take a look at the balcony, the master bedroom, and then can always. You know, and I don't want those people to wait too much. So you're going
okay.
to shoot when I'm going up.
Okay.
Yes, so now here we are getting to the upper room where we have the master bedroom. This is a family, it's a family room, living room, where you can always have, let's say, if you talk to your people. And then also, it's another bedroom. Amazing.
Good house, spacious it is.
Yeah, got some, it's got a balcony. See this? This is now your master bedroom with a balcony. And just to chill out here, there's fresh air.
Inside.
Got fresh air. It's got a bit of the lake view. Now you can see the mini villas and the mansion, the signatures over there. So there's a lake view there. You can breathe fresh air. Something I can tell you. So now I'll take you to the bathroom. You see the neighborhood. The bathroom comes with a sliding door.
The bathroom comes with a sliding door.
Yeah. The tub.
That's a good bathtub.
Yes, and then. Yeah, so that's it.